Good morning from Western Colorado. We bought a new Ram Rebel, and our first priority was protecting the bed because we are going to use it for some work. So we went online, found a product called DualLiner, and read the reviews. Reviews were all outstanding, and we decided that's the liner we were going to go with. So it shipped on time. Got up this morning, it was a little cold, it was right around freezing. So the first thing in the instructions, they recommended above 50 degrees. If not, you should bring it in the house, which we did. Let it sit for about 5 hours so it got to room temperature. And then we just proceeded with the instructions. Put in the back part, snapped in real well. Side panels went in quite easily. The only thing that they did mention, there are some tabs underneath. You got to make sure the liner gets in front of the tabs, so just be aware of that. Tailgate protector, took out the screws, 6 screws, put those in. That's all good. The mat is an awesome mat. Kind of fits under. There's a little bit of a spot for it to slide under. Good solid mat, and all in all, just a great product. Really happy with it, and I'm sure we're going to get our use out of it. And thank you very much.